Alright guys, so let's get into it. To go ahead and make the Starbucks vanilla chai tea, what you're going to need is you're going to need some cinnamon, some vanilla syrup, which is the key to this, Tazo chai tea, and almond milk, or on the Almond Breeze. I prefer the Almond Breeze more than I do regular milk. It's more healthier, but if you wanted to add the milk, you can do the milk. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to show you how to make 1 cup. If you want to make more cups, just go ahead and do twice the amount or 3 times the amount, whatever you're going to do. So for 1 cup, what we're going to do is we're going to do half and half. If you want to take the Chazo tea, and we'll put half a cup. Go ahead and pour that in there. Now take the almond milk, and you want to do half. So it's half and half. Go ahead and pour that in there. Now that makes 1 cup. Go ahead and throw some ice cubes in there. Now the main ingredient is this vanilla syrup. When you do grande with Starbucks, they usually do 3 pumps of this. You can add whatever you want to it, just kind of adjust it. I kind of just throw it in there. Throw it in there a little bit. And then cinnamon. Go ahead and put some cinnamon on top. Adds a little flavor. And then go ahead and mix it up. Let's see how that tastes. Oh yeah, just like Starbucks. But that's how you guys make it. Yeah, so hopefully I could save you guys a couple of bucks. I know Starbucks has went up in price. I was usually getting at, I think it was like $4.95, and now it's costing me $5.60. You know, they're going up in price, and it seems like their cups are getting smaller. I mean, have you seen the small one? It's like a sip, and then you're done. But anyways, that's how you make the vanilla chai tea from Starbucks. If you guys like the video, do a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Talk to you guys later.